Guys, if you don't know who that guy is, he's basically my classmate in school. And he needs subscribers, bro. Like, he's an anti-furry. I'm also an anti-furry, but I don't really hate furries that much. Like, bro, I just don't watch their videos. Like, that's what I do. I don't watch furries videos, but Jabrel, the guy on the picture that you saw earlier was Jabril, my classmate, and yeah, I'm just going to ask you to subscribe to his channel, like literally, bro. By the way, guys, here is my F-16 Fighting Falcon. It's kind of upgraded, you know, but yeah, I'll continue that later in the night, whatever. And I'm also gonna put like a